Good morning students, welcome to chapter 5. Chapter name is Sources of Water. पानी के सूत्र. How do you feel when you do not drink water for a long time? You feel thirsty and uneasy, isn't it? We cannot live without water. Besides food and air, we need water to live. Water keeps us healthy. It is essential for our growth. Let's start our chapter. Water makes life possible. It is one of the basic constituents of all living beings. Around 70% of our body is made up of water. From 100%, 70% is water in our body. Water is found in ponds, lakes, rivers, seas and oceans. Ponds means तालाब, lakes means झीलें, rivers means नदियाँ, seas means समुद्र, ocean means महासागर. It is found below the surface of the earth as well. Sources of water. The natural sources of water are seas, oceans, rain, rivers, streams, lakes and ponds. Oceans. Oceans cover more than 2/3 of the earth's surface. So the largest source of water on the earth is the oceans. However, due to the presence of many salts, this water is not fit for drinking. हमारी धरती पर सबसे ज़्यादा पानी हमें कहाँ मिलता है? महासागर में. बट वो नमकीन पानी होता है, वो पीने के लिए अच्छा नहीं होता. We know that the higher parts of the mountains are covered with snow. During summer, the snow on the mountains melts and change into water. जैसा कि आपको पता है, पहाड़ों पर बर्फ होती है और गर्मी के मौसम में बर्फ पानी बन जाती है. और this water comes down in the form of streams and rivers. Rain. Rain is the main source of water on earth. Which is the main source of water on the earth? Yes, right. Rain. Rainwater is the purest form of natural water. When it rains, some rainwater goes into the ground. This water is called underground water. It can be brought to the surface with the help of wells, tube wells and hand pumps. Name 3 underground water sources: wells, tube wells and hand pumps. People in villages dig wells to bring underground water to the surface. गांव में बड़े बड़े कुएं खोदे जाते हैं गहराई से. In some places the underground water is very deep, so holes are dug into the ground and tubes or pipes are sunk in them. Water is brought to the surface with the help of pumps. These pumps are run by electricity. These wells are known as tube wells. You also see the tube wells. Water from a tube well is used mainly for drinking and irrigation purposes. Hand pumps. I know you know the hand pumps. Hand pumps are used in places where electricity is not available or where people cannot afford to use electricity. Ponds, lakes, rivers, seas and waterfalls also provide us with water. However, this water is full of germs and various impurities. You see the picture also, there is a picture, first picture is tube well, the second is hand pump and third is well. These all are underground water. So it is not safe to drink. This water is purified and filtered to make it fit for drinking. Next topic is evaporation. Bhap. The change of water to water vapor due to heating is called evaporation. There are many factors that affect the process of evaporation. Factors affecting evaporation. First, water evaporates faster when the weather is windy. You can see the picture also. Saucer under the fan. You take one bowl and take some water and put downside of fan, and second you see saucer away from the fan. 2 कटोरी लेनी है, उसमें पानी रखना है, एक तो फैन के नीचे रखना है और एक फैन से दूर रखना है. What will happen? वाटर evaporates faster when the weather is windy. You see, जो आपने फैन के नीचे जो कटोरी रखी है उसमें पानी जल्दी evaporate हो जाएगा, भाप बन के उड़ जाएगा. Take two saucers of the same size, pour an equal amount of water in them. Put one saucer under a fan and turn the fan on. Do not put the other one under the fan. Put it in a place where there is no wind. Take a look at the saucer after an hour. Do this activity at home. आप ऐसी एक्टिविटी अपने घर पे कीजिए और 1 घंटे बाद देखिए क्या होता है. Second, what you see, what do you observe? After 1 hour के बाद आप क्या देखेंगे? You observe that there is a less water in the saucer placed under the fan. आप ये देखेंगे जो फैन की जो मैंने कटोरी रखी थी, जो पानी था वो कम हो गया है. This means that more water has evaporated from the saucer placed under the fan. Thus, it proves that water evaporates faster when the weather is windy. Second, water evaporates faster when the temperature is high. Again, you see the picture. You again take the two saucer in the shade. एक कटोरी में पानी लेंगे, उसको छाया में रखेंगे और एक को धूप के अंदर रखना है. Take the same amount of water in the two saucers of the same size. Keep one saucer in the sun and the other in the shade. After an hour, you find that there is less water in the saucer that is in the sun. This shows that the more water has evaporated from the saucer placed in the sun. It proves that water evaporates faster when the temperature is high. This activity you also do at home and you see what is the result. Third is evaporation is faster when the air is dry. You must have noticed that clothes dry faster on hot. जब आपकी मम्मी कपड़े धोती हैं और जब धूप में सुखाती हैं, आपने खुद ने महसूस किया होगा कपड़े बहुत जल्दी सूख जाते हैं. Dry day than on a cloudy day. Do you know why? On a dry day, air has the least moisture in it. It can take in more moisture from the clothes. On a cloudy day, air has more moisture, water vapor in it, so it can absorb very little water from wet cloth. Like in summer season, हमारे जो कपड़े हैं बहुत जल्दी सूख जाते हैं, but in rainy season कपड़ों को टाइम लगता है. So today our topic is over. We read two topics, sources of water and evaporation. So we meet in next video. I hope